I'm Jane Ingels, and this is my husband George.
And we're at Ingels Vineyard in Norman, Oklahoma, and we're having our first harvest. Okay, this is our third year, and grapes bear in their third year for the first time, and the first harvest is generally small. So out of our 600 vines, we harvested probably a little over a ton. But as they mature, we should get more than that, maybe 3 or 4 tons out of the 600 vines. We sell the grapes to a winery
Here in Oklahoma.
and they
will process the grapes and make wine. So we're eager to see what our grape wine tastes like.
And we're not telling who the winery is until we taste the wine they make from our grapes. This is sort of a labor of love right now. It's taken a tremendous amount of work to do this, and if it weren't for the fact that we enjoy it so much, we probably wouldn't be doing this. It's been wonderful, and we are so appreciative of the people that have come out to help us with the harvest. It's been great.